Hello students, welcome to this video tutorial on strategies to find linear relations note, part 4. Okay, so we're going to look at section D, exponents. Exponents. All right, so let's review. What does exponents mean? X squared, what does that mean? That means x times x. We have x cubed. What does that mean? That means x times x times x. We have x to the power of 4. What does that mean? That means x times x times x times x. So I want you to keep that in mind. Okay, so again, strategy highlighted in yellow. What do we do to n to get a? So we start with 1 and then we end up with 1. Well, that's tricky because that could be x squared, that could be x cubed, that could be x to the power of 4, it could be almost anything. So let's go to the next example. We have a value of n, and then we get 4. Okay, so I think I've got an idea here. So let's check it with this one. We have a value of n of 3, and then we end up with an a value of 9. Okay. So what do you think? Which one's it going to be? Well, it looks like it's this one, right? So what is the strategy? Well, it looks like we multiply a number by itself. Okay, multiply a number by itself. So let's go and check our value table, our 3 examples. N, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. N, 2 multiplied by itself, 2 times 2 is 4. N, 3 multiplied by itself is 9. So this strategy seems to work. Okay, so now that I've proven the strategy works, let's describe the rule in words. So a number multiplied by itself. Or we could have written something like a number times a number. Okay, so now let's complete the value table. So again, it's always good to have your calculator out. I'm sure most of these problems you could do with mental math, but sometimes a calculator really is handy. And this one, maybe you needed a calculator. Okay, so hopefully you completed that value table with the a values of 16, 25, and 196. All right, so when we write the linear relation as an algebraic expression, our first instinct might be to write it like this. But we can't leave it like that in terms of algebra. It must become n to the power of 2. That's why it's under this section called exponents. N to the power of 2. Okay, so I want you to kind of keep your eye out for these exponents type questions. Okay, so this concludes the last video on the strategies to find linear relations note. Thanks for watching. Bye.